Okay, just want to make a quick video of some of the installation tools I use. Right now, this thing doesn't work. Thing's broken. Um, anyway, so I'm using this right now for my light, the Milwaukee light. All right, so basically, of course, you're gonna need clamps. I already had bought like a set of 3 different sizes. This is Irwin. I recently bought these two, which is the large one like you saw right now, and a medium one. These are good like if you're gonna install a wraparound, because we used to do a hotel, and every time they got an eviction, right after the person got evicted, other people would try to break into his unit and then try to use it. So we would you know, and they didn't have a deadbolt also, so we would install a deadbolt and then also a wraparound plate so they wouldn't pry it open. So those come in handy for that, and also for panic hardware. When you're installing it, you can use it to keep it in place, or let's say removing a overhead concealed closer. Some My boss used to use it in case an emergency, in case it drops, maybe it won't fall to the floor, but usually they'll fall to the floor because one of them didn't work. But it wasn't the Irwin one; it was a Harbor Freight one that it failed. Okay, enough with the clamps. And these are the clamps I bought at Lowe's. These also I bought at Lowe's. These are made by Lennox. They're actually what they call. It's a wholesale arbor, but they're kind of like quick release. So I don't know if you can see it. You can slide this down, and then when you screw in your hole saw, and then you push this up, and it locks it in place. So it's kind of like a quick change. So I bought this one for the 2 1/8, and this one for either the 1 inch or the 7/8 hole saw. So I gotta fit those out. And another thing I bought, let me see. Yeah, this is a hole dozer. Let me see. This is a 7/8 one. I bought this because my former boss, when we were installing the deadbolts, he didn't like the 1 inch hole when we installed the deadbolts, because when you move the metal door, it'll have a boom, 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 boom. It'll like it has a lot of play. So he would like us to use this one, so the deadbolt will go in. It won't have a lot of play when you shake the door. That's why we used that 7/8. That's why I bought this one. So, and then I already had bought these at Home Depot. This is the DeWalt lock installation kit. And I noticed, well, yeah, because I like using these and this one too, but they look almost the same. The Lennox. I don't know who copied who. Was it chicken came before the egg, or the egg before the chicken? So they kind of look the same. Lennox. My boss liked it, this one, Lennox, so I went with this one. And it looks more sturdier, more plastic, on this one than this one. Looks like they're kind of going a little bit cheap, but it's. I would say the Lennox is more like heavy duty, and then this one is medium duty. And these ones won't slip like the Milwaukee one, because you have to pull these rings out and then turn it over to change the back set. Same with right here with the hole for the latch hole bore. Okay, but I also bought a new one, Milwaukee one. I'll show you this one. Bought this one new teeth and everything. But okay, the only problem I had this one was let's say I installed this and it's set for right now 2 3/4. You know your hole saw spins to the right, so sometimes this will move that way and it'll mess up your hole. That happened to me one time. So if you're gonna do that, I will go to the inside of the door because I was on the outside door when they did that. So if I would have put this on the inside and drill my hole from the inside of the door, it wouldn't have slipped. So basically, just look out for that. If you're gonna have it like this, spin to the right, it's gonna slip. And that was like a left-hand door. So you go in your left-hand door, open the door. Let's see, left hand. Yeah. So this will go here. Well, it might. You have to turn it around. Let's see. Left-hand door is gonna has a hinge on the left side, so it's gonna spin that way. So yeah, you have to probably put it upside down. There you go. Yeah, just be aware of the spinning action. So you don't make that click. And watch some other reviews on the Milwaukee, because it has these lines. There's lines right there for a reason. You can line up some stuff. Alright. Anyways, that's what I bought so far. I'm not gonna do an install video or anything. I just wanted to show you some of the stuff that I use for installs. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment. Bye bye.